Good morning, folks. Today is Wednesday, October 4th, 2023, and we are back out on the former Schuylkill and Susquehanna railbed in Lebanon County. And I got such tremendous feedback from the video about the curiosities along the railbed, the concrete cross structures. So I decided to come out here and do a little more digging around, see exactly how many I could find. And so far I have found 9 pairs, and they are all roughly a mile apart. And this pair here, both pairs are still in the ground. There's only the one pair I found where there's one pillar knocked over. Everything else, they're all still in the ground. And they are all spaced at right about 17 and a half feet apart from one pillar to the other. So some of your suggestions have been fantastic. I still haven't found any real solid evidence as to what these could be, but I'm leaning towards that they were here to hold extra rail. Only because that just seems the most logical to me. There's a piece of rebar here. I'll keep digging around looking for a solid answer. And you keep them suggestions coming, folks. I greatly appreciate all the support. Have a great day.